Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn very interesting concept, run TypeScript without Node.js or its compiler TSC with the help of scriptc. How to do that we are going to learn in this video. Normally we execute TypeScript program like we have a TypeScript program, then convert into JavaScript by using TSC compiler, then we need Node.js to execute. But by using scriptc, just you need to install the scriptc by using Node.js, and after that you can use it directly without the need of JavaScript compiler or Node.js. Now, what is the advantage of this? Start almost instantly. It's very fast to execute, very small in size, and it's also better than the TSC compiler. How to do that? Just you need to run this command npm install g scriptc, check the version, install it, then you need to write a TS code like this and you have to run this scriptc run hello.ts like this. No need of Node.js, no need of TSC. But remember that for executing this, you need C language to be installed on your machine. If you are using Linux or Windows, you should have a C language. So if you will run this command, you will have an error because C is not installed. So install C on your machine and it will run without any problem. Now add two number. This is a program similar. Just create a program of TypeScript, run this, and you will have the output like this. Remember that C must be installed on your machine. Now, two way to run your code. We have a two way to run this code. First one is this, using same run command. Every time you have to compile by using scriptc. Second option, just to build like this, like we execute C code by using GCC or CC compiler, and after that you will have an output as a exe. So you can execute later on by using this add.exe file. You can double click on this, it will execute without any problem. So these are two ways to use this scriptc. Now these are the command to execute every time, to build exe, run this, to check the version, to check how much of your code compile natively. By this you can check, and by this way you can install this in your machine. Now tips for smooth first run. Always run command from the right folder. Remember that. Go this tips. Fix type error first. First of all, you have to fix the TypeScript error. Then install your npm packages, those are required, plus install C compiler, those are required, and you should have a knowledge of Node.js also, how to use that. Quick recap: install this, write a code, run a code, or build a code, whatever you need. Remember that it doesn't require JavaScript in the middle. So maybe this particular tool is the future of JavaScript, don't know. Maybe in the future you will see scriptc as a future of JavaScript, but right now doesn't say anything. But this is the option to execute your TS code without using TSC or Node.js. Directly convert your code into exe also with the help of C language. So that's all in this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this.